Well, hello everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you what I got in the mail this weekend and on Monday. And then I have a couple of other reviews to do, but I'll do that a little later. Hope everybody had a nice weekend. I had a pretty good weekend, but I've been with you all weekend. I think what I'm going to do for my schedule is I'm going to cook possibly every day, unless it's a day that I really don't feel good. Don't kill me for that. I have a lot of recipes and a lot of old recipes that I'm doing over. So I'd like to be able, and I do them anyway, so I might as well do them with you, right? Right. Okay, so I'm going to cook every day. I think I'm not going to cook on Saturday, but I'll cook on Sunday. Again, unless something happens, then I'll tell you I'm not going to be there Sunday, but whatever. Because we usually do Sunday dinner. Not so much intricate Sunday dinner because of the summertime, but in the wintertime I cook Sunday. And tomorrow the girls and I are going to probably come in and cook, and then we're going to do the cookies. So anyway, moving right along, let's get to what I got. And I got yesterday and today. Let's get it up. Where's this guy? Okay. Had it on me already. So, today I got some therapy conditioner. It's pure, natural, beautiful, 100% pure. It's restorative hair support. Soothe, moisture, dry hair and scalp, infused with powerful natural botanic oils, and it's tea tree, and it's repair and restore. And I got this, you can see this, today in my mail, and I'll be using that because I wash my own hair. Even when I go to the beautician, although she washes it again, I wash my own hair. I have to get my hair done this week too. So then I got, oh, this has a spoon too. You know how when you look at something, I'm going to open this because it looks smaller. And I just thought that they were sending me a sample, but they gave me a whole bunch of, I'll tell you in a minute what it is. I'm just taking the cover off. So it's got a spoon. This is called Rose Milk Bath Soak. And it's for smooth skin and touchable skin. And it's pure natural skincare for all. And this is the Rose Milk. Let's see if I can get this up. Right there. Let's open this. Oh, that's nice. And it's got the little, let's see if I can get this without the little particles of soap in it. Little particles of roses in it. Oh, that's going to be nice. I'm going to take a nice bath in that. I love baths. I can only take them once or twice a week because it's got, they've put the bars on and everything. In fact, we have another bar we have to put on. But they came in and they put the bars on for me when I came out of the hospital. But I managed to get in and out. But I take a shower every day. But when Mondays is usually the day I take a bath. I took a shower today, so I'll probably take a bath and wash my hair tomorrow. But I have a way to get in and a way to get out. And this is the spoon that they gave me to go with it. That nice? I'm going to enjoy this. You know it. Then I got this cutting board. Get this open. I'm kind of glad I got this because I was going to make some cutting board oil for my cutting boards, and then I couldn't realize, I forgot what went in it. I was going to look it up, but this is the wood cutting board oil, and it's pure mineral oil to protect and restore the cutting boards and the butcher blocks. So this is it right here. So I got that. Let me see if I can smell to it. No smell to it. Then, so this is what I got in my mail this weekend and today. I got some more of these bracelets right here. They're iCoca 12-pack mosquito repellent bracelets. 320 hours of premium pest control insect. And this is what it is right there. That's what I got. Then I'm not sure what this is. So let's open this because I didn't feel like doing it until I'm not sure. Oh, I know what this is. I can't do this. I have to do this separately. Then I just had an epiphany of what that was. I got some toothbrush and a toothbrush. Going to the dentist and he's got a fill with tooth. That's all I sing. Okay, I lost my voice in a stroke. Some people lose their voice in a car accident. Some people lose their voice in anything. I lost my voice in a stroke. I got everything else. I'm fine. I'm lucky I can talk. I'm thanking God that I can talk, so I'm not worried about it. So this is the tooth whitener here. And it's got activated organic charcoal and 100% natural. And the reason why my daughter said you should try this, and she does reviews too. Almost good enough for that one. And it's black. Ew. Well, she says it works, so we'll see. Walking around with black in my mouth. I'll try something once anyway. This is the toothbrush that comes along with it. Come on, little brush, come out. I got 4 of these the other day. So now I got 5. I put them away. So, having said that, let's go with the next thing. You don't laugh at this, because it isn't mine. But I saw it, and I had to get it for her. Because they email me with all kinds of things, and I get the things that I know we're going to use. This is an upside down. This is the bathing suit that I got from my granddaughter. And I'm hoping, I got a large. I don't know whether she needed a medium or a large. That's the bathing suit. That's the back. And I thought that was nice, even though the back's down a little bit and stuff like that, because she's pretty conservative, so. I think that she'll like this. Probably could have got another color, but hey. I think that's good. I know on this it says it's summertime, but you already know that. Then I got 2 of these. 2 of these plugs for our USBs. I got 2 more of these. I'll put these in the closet, in the cabinet downstairs, because you can never have enough plugs. I'm sorry, okay? You know, you have to plug into so many different things, and I found that the USB cords help, so I'm going with that. Then, I actually had this about a week or so, and I just brought it upstairs. I took it back. I got it. Da-da-da-da. Toaster. Yes, I did. Okay, and it was funny because I was looking at my toaster and saying, you know what, I think I'm going to get a new one. There's really nothing wrong with it. It's just, you know, it's old. And this is the toaster. It's a 2-slicer, that's all I need. And it's really quite nice. And it's chrome. It's a 2-slice toaster. Let's see, who's it by? Tobox. And gives you the levels of 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, 4 level, 5 level, and 6 level. Toaster heat levels. Gives the toaster heat levels right there. And it's just that if you don't watch my toaster, because it is so old, it will burn. So I just decided I needed a new one. And then all of a sudden they popped up and I'm like, yes, I will. So little by little, I'm getting like things for my house that I need anyway to review. So why not? You know what I mean? So that's that. Then I got, this was this weekend and today. I got the herb garden kit. A variety of seeds and herbs, Jiffy pot, cocoa cure, pellets, planet markers, and instructions inside. And this is what I got. And it's got parsley seeds, cilantro seeds, arugula seeds, ooh, arugula, and basil seeds, and chive seeds, and dill seeds. And I grow these all year. So I was real happy to get that. And that is it. So if you like this, or if you like me, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will be back with my individual, my individual reviews. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to have a giveaway. I am going to have a mystery box of a lot of the things that I got in here that somebody else can use that I can't use. So I'm going to talk about that tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have a good giveaway. But I'm going to do it probably the end of July because I'm going to fill the box. Oh, and by the way, this is only for the United States right now. Okay, because the postage is just too much out of state. As it is, it's kind of heavy in-state, but I'm going to, I'll do something for you later. But this is only for my in-state people. So I'm sorry about that, but I'll make it up to you somehow. Anyway, so, like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. And start now by saying enter me. Okay? All right. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.